What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Radiant Plate Boots in Crimson Desert. Looking for a knightly getup for Damien? These will add to the flair. These Radiant Plate Boots offer Damien 19 points in attack and 7 points in defense. It's got level 1 fire resistance and 2% climb speed multiplier abyss gears. You can find these boots almost on the eastern edge of the Crimson Desert. The location just aligns horizontally with the foot of desert's letter T. Zoom in and you'll find it's inside a place called Wild Bloom Springs. Zoom in again and it's on the upper left tip of this small lake. When you get there, just look for this cave on the northwest side of the lake. Make your way there with any means possible and you'll find a chest sitting inside the cave. Open it and you'll take the footwear for Damien. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.